I'm going to share with you the new release that we just released on our website. I was just told it is on live on the website. And it is a new ink color kit. So it is a kit. It's exclusive. The ink pad color is exclusive for 6 months minimum. Sometimes we even make it longer. And the color is Twig. So let's do this. Let's turn it over there. Now I'm going to get, because I want you to see why you need this brown. Because it is exactly in between chocolate and where's my ginger snap? And ginger snap. Look at that. Totally, totally, totally different. Hang on, let's do it this way. Totally different. Look. Look at that. Totally different color brown. So that's awesome. Okay, so you are getting in this kit, you are getting the full ink pad. This is a full ink pad and the full refill in this kit. Okay, you cannot buy this separate right now. You are all. This is kind of like what we're calling this is. It is Twig everything you need. Okay, because when you introduce a new color, you need stuff, right, that goes with it. 2 Twig ribbons. One is organza ribbon. One is seam binding. You are getting epoxy dots with 2 rows of Twig. So now you have Twig that matches as needed. And it's hard to see, but there is a row of white there. Okay. You are getting these gorgeous, and I fell over when I saw these because I didn't know we even got these. These gorgeous little bows that have little pearls on them. And they are Twig colored. They're gorgeous. Okay, so we get those. And you're going to get all of these cutouts, and we're calling these ephemerate. Is that what they call them? I don't know. They're trying to make them fancy. They're like they're cut die cuts. But the cool thing is these are like a thicker than the last time we got them, and they are glossy. They're gorgeous. They are gorgeous. And I believe there's like, I want to say there's 80 or something, 80 cutouts or something. I don't know how many. Don't count them because you're probably missing one or getting extra. I don't know. But there's a ton in there. Of course, they match all of our stamps and dies that you already have. Then you're getting a Trendy Twig collection paper pad that has lots and lots of die cuttable papers. So all the die cuttable papers that you've been wanting more of, guess what? They're in here. Well, some of them are. We have the llama, then we have some patterns. So like if you're like, I don't have the llama, I don't like llamas, I don't like that. Well, then you're gonna use this side, right? Okay, green, then we have some more torties. Look at that, it's so cute. Again, this is Twig now. We changed the color so it matches our new Twig. More patterns. Now we have Twig picnic baskets with a little pie.
Picnic to stamp, right?
Picnic to stamp, yep. More patterns. Oh, there's our watering can. Garden to stamp, and it has, these are now Twig. Isn't that awesome, you guys? Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. Wreath to stamp. Look at that. And again, Twig. And then, oh, I love this one too. Bird houses to stamp. Twig, Twig, and then we start all over again, Twig. So you're going to get 2 of each on that one. Then, I know there's so much in here. Then you're getting these gorgeous borders. Now these stamps are really, really long. Hang on, let me grab my ruler. I moved it over here. I want you to see the size of these because you're going to fall over. Ready? The largest one is approximately 5 inches in length. Hang on, let me see that one. Yeah, they're about 5 inches in length. The smaller one is like almost 4.5 inches. Look at that. Aren't those gorgeous? And you're like, oh, I love those, but I wish there was dies to match. Look at that. Look at that. There's dies to match. Dies to match. So you're going to use your adhesive sheets on the back of these, you guys. Adhesive sheets on the back for the inside dies. Look at that, the inside dies. Now, do you have to use the dies with the stamps or the stamps with the dies? No. You could just use the dies if you want. You could just use the stamps if you want. You get to mix and match. Lastly, you are getting this awesome, awesome 5-petal flower stencil. And you guys know how much we love our stencils. So here is another one, 5-petal flower stencil. All of these items are exclusive to the kit. Eventually, maybe someday, you'll be able to get, well, in 6 months, you'll be able to order this separately.
So remind them the ink is included.
The ink is included. The full size, the cardstock is not. The cardstock is separate. The cardstock is separate, and it is on the website, but not very many. So, not very many. This whole kit is limited. It's a limited kit. You're getting the full-size ink pad, full-size refill. Okay, so you're not gonna have to buy this later when it comes out because you're gonna already have it. Okay, you're also getting all of the die cuts. You're getting 2 twig ribbons. You're getting the epoxy dots. You're getting, oh my gosh, those bows. You're getting the stencil. You're getting these awesome little bow. I'm telling you, you guys, these I love. Okay, and then you're getting the pattern paper pad. This is awesome. So it's on the website now. It's a special release. We are telling you first. Nobody knows about it. Tomorrow morning, we're sending the email out to everyone. But we wanted our class participants to find out first. So we're letting you know right now. So if you want to get it, you can. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Sunday night, late is our next release because Monday already, can you believe it? Monday is February 1st. How did that happen? I don't know how that happened. February 1st is a new release day already. So you know, those of you, you guys are, I'm preaching to the choir right now, all of you, you know Sunday night is when the real release is. But for everyone else, it's the 1st. Okay, Kenny. Any other housekeeping tips? Oh, KJ just texted me something. I got to make sure it's nothing important. Okay. Anything else, Kenny, that we need to talk about?
No, I think we got it all covered.
Monday, No Makeup Monday, approximately 10 a.m. Also, Kirsten's moving tomorrow, and so it's going to thunderstorm. Lovely. Isn't that lovely? Biggest storm of the year. Biggest storm of the year in California. And watch my Thursday Creative Corner to find out, or Crafting Corner, or whatever it's called, because California is not built for rain. It's going to be a kick in the head.
Well,
okay. What? One. Kenny has a good one.
Peggy wants to have grandkids, so she asked that we pray for her.
Peggy wants to have grandchildren, and she asked that we would pray for her daughter. So yes, Peggy, we will pray for your daughter, because I'm telling you, grandkids are the bomb. They are the best, I'm telling you. So I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me for this Sweet Treats online class. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I enjoyed myself. And I will see you for sure Monday, No Makeup Monday, and then next Thursday for our next Crafting Corner. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.